Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? I have been so bad lately, so bad. And you know what? I have another unboxing. I figure if you're gonna be bad, go all the way, right? Stick around. Okay, let me be clear. This is not anything that I got on my trip. I got this when I got back. I am just on a roll, but you guys, really, after this, I'm putting myself back on Van Island because Keith doesn't know about this. I mean, he knows I got this box, but he probably just thinks it's clothes or something. So I hope he doesn't watch this video. Anyway, I can't wait to show you guys what I got. I totally just had an Elizabeth Warren moment. I said, let me be clear. How many times has she said that? Okay, so let's not go there. All right, so before I show you what is in the box, let me show you my bag of the week. Oh yes, I'm still carrying my YSL college bag, you guys. This is going to be one of my most used bags. I can't put it down. I really don't feel like this bag is as popular as the Lulu or the college bag. But you guys, it is such a good bag. It's a workhorse of a bag. It's not really wide, and that's what I love about it. It's just really versatile. I feel like it's more casual. Of course, it can be dressy. I just need to do a first impressions on this bag. I cannot say enough good about this bag. I love it so much. Okay, enough about the bag. What is in this box? You guys, this is a total impulse buy. I got back from my trip. I saw it. I bought it. So this is a true unboxing. I really hope that I'm happy with this item because I was like, I have to have you in my life. So let's keep our fingers crossed. All right, I don't do a lot of true unboxings because I'm just too impatient. But it just worked out tonight because I just got back from shopping, went out to dinner with my husband. He said, oh, I've got something for you. And here it is. So I said, I'm gonna go in there and film. So it worked out. So I've got this knife, and let me carefully undo the tape because, like I said, I may not be happy with this, but I hope that I am. I'm so excited. Do you guys have any guesses? Do you think it's a handbag? Do you think it's shoes? What do you think that I ordered? I'll give you a little hint. It's from Nordstrom. They sell only like 10 million things. Okay, so I'm opening up this big box, and inside the big box is a medium-sized box. This box here. And inside this box is another box. All right, very carefully, let me open this box. You guys, true unboxings are a lot of work. So I'm really excited to show you what kind of box it is. Ta-da! Oh, I'm so excited. I hope this unboxing doesn't go awry, really, because I've been itching for some Gucci lately. And I don't know, I'm just kind of out of love with Louis Vuitton. I mean, I love Louis Vuitton. I guess they'll always be my first love, but I'm loving YSL, and I still love Gucci. I don't care what all the other YouTubers say. I love Gucci. So, I saw this item, had to have it. Let me show you what's in this box. All right, so it's easier to do it this way. So I ordered from Nordstrom because they're so easy to send things back. And so here it goes, you guys. Open up the lid. I hope everything doesn't come falling out. That tends to happen to me. So let me take the lid off and show you. Here we are. Got some information here that we don't care about. We've got tissue paper. Woohoo. And shoes. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. So here's, oh wow. They actually give 2 dust bags. 2 Gucci dust bags. Oh wow, I just hope they fit. Oh, how cute. The reason, when I saw these, the reason I went ahead and went for them, because I've never seen these before, is because I figure when spring arrives and it's warmer and people start wearing, you know, sandals and things, that my size will be sold out. So I got an 8. I'm a 7.5 and 8. And I got an 8. And looking at them, they look like they're going to fit. You guys, how beautiful. Oh, wow. I love the burgundy footbed. That's just gorgeous. And the treads on the bottom. Are these not super cute? I love to wear just little denim skirts. And this looks like something that I will wear all summer long, you guys. I love, love, love me some slides. And these are just different. I've never seen these. Have you guys seen these? I don't even know what they're called. I just saw them, had to have them, and ordered them. I will put the information on these in the description box if you're interested in them. You guys, I would try them on for you, but I haven't had a pedicure. So we just won't do that, but I'm going to try them on. I'm going to turn the camera off, try them on, see if they fit, and then let you know what I think about the sizing. All right, so I tried them on and I love them. I could tell by looking at them that I would. I have like really wide feet. So when I looked at these, I thought these look wide. They look like they will fit well. These are a size 8, but they only come in full sizes. I believe that's right. But I could have wore a 7.5, but still this is perfect. And you know what I'm gonna do, Bobby? I'm gonna order some Gucci socks and wear Gucci socks with these. My friend Bobby, he has been ordering Gucci socks and I'm so jealous, and I think it would be so cute with these. But anyway, I don't know, you guys notice I'm kind of talking low and whispery because Keith's in his office right across the hall. He might come in here at any moment and bust me with these Gucci shoes. I promise you guys, after this, I am putting myself on Van Island until May. I'm gonna try to go to Van Island, stay there, and be really good until May. That's my birthday, so. But anyway, I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing on these. I will put the information in the description box. Aren't they beautiful? Wow. These are me. These are me to a T. I love wearing shoes like this, and I just really love them. They're kind of weighty, I won't lie. So I will do a first impressions. I mean, you could knock somebody out with these shoes. They are weighty, but when they're on your feet, not so bad. But when you're holding them like this, it's like I could get a good workout with them, you know? I'm really happy with them. They seem like they're gonna be really comfortable, super cute. And I just wanted to show you guys what I got, and let me know what you think about them. Have you seen these before? Because I think that they're new. All right, so that's all I have for you guys today. I need to end this video, hide the evidence. And I'll let you guys know how the shoes are working out. I think they're gonna work size-wise. I need to walk around the house in them for a while. If not, I'll trade them in for a 7. I'm not really sure, because now that I'm wearing them, they seem a little big. But I love them, and I'll probably reorder another pair tonight and just try both pair on. But I need to hide the evidence. I just wanted to show you guys what I got, and I will see you guys again next week. Bye-bye.